All right, I got my snacks here. Got some bedding in the back, a blow-up mattress. We're gonna go try to see what we can do about the Star Wars grand opening. Not sure if I'll be able to camp out there tonight, but we are going to try. And if we can't, we'll find somewhere to park, sleep, and try again in a few hours. All right, so I'm in the parking lot. This is my second go around because I've heard some mixed reviews online about people being able to park overnight, but I did get some confirmation that they are going to be turning people away at 11. Like, you can't even get in the parking lot at all, and they're going to be clearing out cars. So I'm supposed to be able to get in at start lining up at like 3:45. So I guess I'm going to go find somewhere to try and get some Z's and probably start sharking the gate probably around 3:15. So wish me luck. Happy Star Wars opening day. Looks like they're at least letting people start to line up in the parking queue now. So glad I got here a little bit earlier than 3:45. All right, we made it in. Let's go get queued up.
Oh my goodness.